What if I told you that in a few years, you could order a driverless air taxi to a restaurant, and when you step in, the waitress read your mind and deliver 3D printed steak in front of you, just like you wanted? It may sound strange, but in the future, this could be an everyday reality. So keep watching to see these 8 technological innovations that will change the way we all live. Imagine pulling up to a steakhouse expecting a juicy steak from the grill, but instead you're served a steak that's 3D printed. It might sound like science fiction, but it's not far in the future. Thanks to groundbreaking advances in food technology, this futuristic meal could be on your plate sooner than you think. But how does it work? These high-tech printers precisely layer plant-based proteins or cultured meat cells to create these realistic steaks, making you a dinner that not only looks like a real beef, but tastes and feels like it too. Yet the best part isn't just the taste or texture, it's the customization it offers. Want more vitamins in your food? Done. Need fewer calories without losing flavor? Just press a button. Or you would like a protein boost after a workout? Just adjust it with a simple setting. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you want, crafting the perfect meal every time. This isn't just food, it's a culinary revolution. So are you ready to take a bite out of the future? Speaking of personal chefs who know what you need, this robotic chef does planning, shopping, and cooking for you. Using this innovative home kitchen couldn't be easier, as the only thing you need to do is restock ingredients once a week. From the app, you can make orders from the thousands of recipes, and Chefy will do the rest. The world's first embedded robotic chef handles weighing, combining, dispensing, and cooking with precision. So you don't need to leave the sofa until dinner is ready. With built-in refrigeration and state-of-the-art technology, ingredients stay fresh. You can filter recipes by diet, fitness goals, or allergies while tracking nutrition to stay on target. The app also lets you customize portion sizes as well as schedule meals, so you can wake up to the smell of fresh oatmeal. The best part is that Chefy can be installed without any permanent renovation or expensive tools. However, genius doesn't come cheap. Chefy starts at just under $40,000. But for those who dream big or just really hate cooking, it might be worth it. And think of all the takeout money you'll save. We've all been faced with the feeling of coming home tired after a long day to find a pile of laundry, a full trash bin, or a sink full of dishes. But in the future, we may come back home with all our tasks already done, because personal robot assistants are set to revolutionize how we manage our daily lives. These aren't just basic machines programmed to follow commands. They are intelligent, adaptive companions designed to learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and seamlessly integrate into your routine. Imagine walking into a clean, organized home with dinner already prepared and your to-do list managed, all without lifting a finger. Therefore, you never have to do those annoying and boring housework tasks again, and can instead focus on more fun things, like spending quality time with your family, pursuing hobbies you've always wanted to explore, or even just relaxing with a good book. But this robot not only does the housework, it can also help you with, for example, your studies, by organizing your notes, setting reminders for assignments, and even explaining complex topics. Need help planning your fitness routine? It can create personalized workout schedules. Want to improve your cooking skills? It can guide you through recipes step by step. The possibilities are endless when you have an intelligent assistant that supports every aspect of your life. Imagine a world where your food delivery arrives swiftly at your doorstep, not by a human courier, but through an autonomous vehicle or drone. This isn't a distant fantasy, it's a rapidly approaching reality. Companies like Amazon have already integrated over 750,000 robots into their fulfillment centers, enhancing efficiency and speed in processing orders. In the realm of personal transportation, ride-hailing services are on the brink of transformation. Lyft, for instance, plans to introduce fully autonomous taxis in Dallas as early as 2026. Similarly, Tesla aims to deploy driverless ride-hailing services in Austin, Texas by June, capitalizing on the state's lenient regulatory environment. The implications of these advancements are profound. Autonomous delivery systems promise faster, more efficient services, reducing human error and operational costs. For consumers, this means quicker deliveries and potentially lower prices. In urban areas, the adoption of autonomous taxis could alleviate traffic congestion and decrease the demand for parking spaces, leading to more streamlined city living. However, this shift also presents challenges. The transition to automated systems may impact employment for drivers and couriers, necessitating workforce retraining and adaptation. Additionally, the widespread use of autonomous vehicles raises questions about safety, regulatory frameworks, and public acceptance. Building upon the advancements in autonomous ground transportation, the horizon of urban mobility is expanding vertically with the emergence of flying cars and air taxis. These innovations, often referred to as electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, are poised to transform how we navigate our cities. Companies like Joby Aviation are at the forefront, developing eVTOLs capable of carrying passengers at speeds up to 200 miles per hour. Joby plans to commence commercial operations in Dubai by the end of 2026, leveraging the region's expedited certification processes. The implications of air taxis are profound. They promise to significantly reduce travel times, converting hour-long commutes into mere minutes. For instance, the VX4 air taxi by Vertical Aerospace can transform a typical 60-minute car journey into an 11-minute flight. However, the widespread adoption of air taxis faces challenges, including regulatory approvals, infrastructure development, and public acceptance. Safety remains a paramount concern, necessitating rigorous testing and certification processes. As we look to the skies for the next leap in transportation, flying cars and air taxis hold the promise of revolutionizing urban mobility, offering faster and more efficient travel options. The journey to this future is underway, with significant milestones anticipated in the coming years. We've all dropped our phones and broken the screen. But what if instead of expensive repairs, the screen could fix itself? Or if you drive on a road that fixes itself overnight and removes the bumps before they become a problem? This is not just a fantasy, but an emerging reality of self-healing materials. These innovative substances are designed to automatically repair damage without human intervention. For instance, researchers have developed self-healing polymers that can autonomously mend after being damaged, enhancing durability and functionality. In infrastructure, scientists have created self-healing road surfaces that prevent potholes by mending cracks as they appear. This technology involves a self-healing bitumen that fuses asphalt back together, extending the lifespan of roads by 30%. In the biomedical field, self-healing hydrogels are being explored for applications in wound care, medical devices, and drug delivery. These materials can recover from mechanical, thermal, and chemical-induced damage, restoring their original properties without external assistance. As research progresses, we can anticipate more applications that will make our daily lives more convenient and our products more durable. Imagine a future where our possessions don't just break, but fix themselves, leading to longer-lasting products and reduced waste. While many self-healing materials are still in the research and development phase, ongoing advancements suggest a future where these materials become commonplace. As they become more advanced, they could redefine how we interact with the objects around us, creating a world where things don't just break but fix themselves. Speaking of self-repairing materials, we come to the next daily product that will improve our everyday lives, where your clothes do more than just cover you. They protect, monitor, and even communicate with you. Smart fabrics are textiles embedded with technology that can react to your body and surroundings. These aren't just regular clothes. They can monitor your heart rate, adjust to temperature changes, and even generate electricity from your movements. Researchers at MIT have already developed fibers that can store data and change shape depending on temperature, paving the way for truly adaptive clothing. But how do they work? These fabrics are woven with conductive fibers that allow them to send and receive electrical signals. Some can track your health, warning you about dehydration or irregular heartbeats. Others, like sportswear embedded with temperature-sensitive materials, can cool you down during intense workouts or warm you up in the cold. Imagine never having to layer up in winter or overheat in summer. Your clothes will handle it for you. And the applications go far beyond fashion. In healthcare, smart bandages can monitor wounds and release medicine exactly when needed. In the military, uniforms with built-in communication systems can provide real-time updates in the field. What if you could control a computer, smartphone, or even a robotic arm just by thinking about it? No keyboards, no touch screens, no voice commands, just pure thought. Well, soon it will be possible. Mind-reading devices called brain-computer interfaces already exist, and they're evolving fast. But how do they actually work? BCIs detect electrical activity in the brain using sensors, either placed on the scalp or, in some cases, implanted directly into the brain. These signals are then translated by advanced algorithms into commands that control external devices. In other words, they don't read your thoughts in the way you might imagine, but they can interpret specific brain patterns linked to movement, decision-making, or even emotions. And these devices aren't just experiments in a lab, they're already changing lives. In 2024, a man with ALS used a brain implant to control an Amazon Alexa device, allowing him to turn on lights, adjust the thermostat, and even send messages, all with his thoughts. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, recently enabled a paralyzed person to move a computer cursor using only their brain. Of course, it comes with big questions. How do we ensure privacy when devices can interpret brain signals? Who owns the data generated by our thoughts? As BCIs become more advanced, these ethical concerns will need answers. But one thing is clear, mind-reading devices aren't just coming, they're already here. And as technology continues to evolve, they could change the way we interact with the world forever. So the real question is, are we ready for a future where technology responds to our minds?